Welcome, guys. Okay, so today we keep solving some trigonometric function integration. So in this video we just need to prove this. So before I start, please subscribe to my channel, click the like button, and leave the comment of what you learned today. Okay. So this tool is very easy. So one thing we need to remember is that 1 plus cosine x is equals to this, and 1 minus cosine x is 2 sine square x divided by 2. So we have these two. Okay, so the first one can be written as dx 2 ax divided by 2. Okay, and this is half second square ax divided by 2 dx. And remember that the tangent differentiation respect to x, x on is tangent x is second square x. Okay. So this is just half tangent ax divided by 2. But remember that by the chain rule, right? There's a over 2, so you need to divide this. Okay, so the answer is just a tangent ax divided by 2. And added the integration constant. So this is the answer. Okay, and for a second one, we do the same things. 1 dx, 2 sine square ax divided by 2. So half. So this is cosecant square ax divided by 2 dx. And the same reason, the cotangent differentiation is minus cosecant square x. So the same reason. So this is cotangent ax. Okay, so this is just for this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in the next trigonometric function integration video.